All right, guys, we're here with an old friend, Kyra from Radical Design. Kyra, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Welcome back, Gary.
Thank you. So nice to see you again. So, a lot of new, innovative stuff here at the booth, and we're going to talk about a few of them, but we're going to start out with something that's right over our heads. What do we got?
Yeah, the past 2.5 years we've been working on our dog trailer. Already from the start, from the moment we took over Radical Design from Hubert and Catherine, we thought we should make a dog trailer in the Radical way. So finally, I think last summer, we produced the first 12 items. One of them is up there. And it's built on the same frame as our cyclone tracking trailer. So in case you have this trailer already, you can take away the bag and put on the dog trailer. You can also buy just the module. Okay. So that makes that people who already know our brand or who have already the trailer don't have to buy the whole dog trailer. And it folds away as a little package. So also when you have a Dutch normal small car, not an American big truck, you easily can pack it in the back of your car and go anywhere and start biking there. So yeah, it's we think it's quite radical design.
As in your name would indicate.
Yes, and we love it. We now almost sold the first 12, and we're planning to have them back in stock somewhere this summer, end of this summer, and then in a larger number. So this was the first trial, but it works out good, and for now the people are happy.
Very nice. And so for a small to medium-sized dog, yeah?
Yeah, we say about 17 kilos because the cyclone tracking trailer is quite small, and it has a height of, I think, maximum 70 centimeters. I don't know in inches, but just small, medium dogs. Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, Kyra, so some bags, this is what you're really known for. Tell us about what you have here.
Yeah, already our bags are like about 30 years, almost the same, and we thought it's really time to go to a new way, also because of all new fabrics there exist and the new production options we have. So one of the things we are doing is we're combining the two bananas into a backpack, so you can have it either as the two banana panniers or you can wear it as a backpack. As you see, we also have a totally different fabric, which we're not sure about yet, but the models are all fine. We also changed our solo racer. We always had two types, the wide and the small, but for now it's possible to have just one bag for all different bikes. Plus, we also are working on a bag for the rack bag.
Yeah, let's take a look at the bag more closely and the system, all right?
So we always had the rack bag, and it was connected to the rack with straps, but now we integrated the click system, and some bikes already have this integrated in their rack. In case you don't have it integrated, you can buy the adapter, and then with just a simple click, it clicks on, and you cannot take it off. So you have these keys. So when you don't have the key, you cannot take the bag.
So this is the security of it.
It's the security, yeah.
Very nice.
It looks quite simple, but it works.
Show it to the camera there, yeah.
I'm not sure if you have these things. I'm sure.
Maybe, I don't know. Yeah. Very nice. Okay. All right, Kyra, so we have the dog trailer now here with us. Are you going to show us a little bit of how it can be compacted and what else can it do? Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the dog trailer. I will take out the dog.
First thing, remove the dog.
Yeah. As you can see, it's totally the same like the cyclone tracking. People will recognize the hitch and everything. So what you do is the hood can be taken off. It has two zippers. So this is just the frame and the top. And when you don't use it, it just fits exactly in here. And that's everything. So we're also working on a top for the down part. I forgot the name, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
But because we already got requests from people who want to use it as a trailer, a normal trailer, and as a dog trailer. So when you go on a holiday, you just zip this one on. And when you go as a dog trailer, you just put this one on. That's it.
Yeah.
It's easy as that.
Yeah. You can use it for multiple purposes. That's really great.
Yeah. So we have it now in 3 colors, but as I said, we already finished the first 12. It was a bit quiet in the past month, but now people find us and they find the trailer, and the first reviews are very good. So we're now waiting for new stock, and I hope to have it in summer. Maybe end of summer, depends on traffic. We'll see.
Okay, good. And now we're here with Romain, who works at Radical Design as what? What do you do there?
I'm there the designer, but I also like to say the product developer, because I not design every product. Sometimes companies come and then I make what the designer are drawing, I make it possible. So I also develop what they have in mind.
Okay, good. Now, Radical Design is world renowned for the quality of the bags. Can you tell us a little bit about what goes into that? Why is the quality so good? What do you do to make it so good?
But first of all, the choice of the fabric, of course, is very important, but also all the assembly and also the know-how of the people who are sewing it is very important, so that when it's a little complex, they still are able to make it and also have an eye for every finishing and every mistakes we can sometimes do, but always we have several check to deliver good quality.
Yeah, so the attention to quality control is important.
Yes, it's integrated into the process. Yes.
Nice. All right, well, man, we need to look at some of the highlights of the bags you want to talk about. What are we going to talk about here? Show us.
Yeah, so the new bags I developed based on the bag we already have, talking about volume, shape a bit, but the construction is now different, and some of the features are also different. So, for instance, this is the Solo Aero bag, the new version. So the opening is different now, and also now I don't integrated the bottle holders sewed into the bag as on the old one, but now we integrated some loops. So people can choose if they want a bottle holder with it or not. Mm-hmm. So the same on the rack bag, same system, and on the rack bag we also integrated the new click systems from different brands, but they all use the same position for bolts. So we are able to use
the attachment system.
The attachment to the rack.
Right. Yeah, Kyra showed us that.
Well, the bananas, same. It's based on the current one, but also redesigned. And also we integrated an idea we had to connect them together with a separable zipper to end up with in a backpack. So you just have to click to use the same loops and click some shorter straps, and you can carry them on your back.
Okay.
Maybe some more visible change. The fabric we also tried now with Challenge Outdoor fabric, which are very durable fabric with some nice pattern on it, and it's also backed with a ripstop in it. And on this one, we also integrated foam, which was only integrated on the back of the bananas back then, and now more overall in the shape.
Okay, and I think Kyra said that these will be available this summer, perhaps, yes?
Perhaps.
Yeah.
Now we are very busy with the production, but so it's planned, but not we cannot give any guarantee yet. But we hope we can produce it as soon as possible.
Very good. All right, Kyra, so we have a folded Brompton here with a very unusual bag. Is there a story with this?
Yes, this is the bag designed by Vincent van Eerde Metaal, and he redesigns Bromptons So he makes all kind of metal stuff. This is a Brompton G line with some modifications. The bag is made by us, so we make it in our workshop in the Netherlands. It's made of wax cotton, so it's very, very durable, and it can have a heavy load. And you have all these kind of pockets. And I told Vincent, we're going to the Spezi, send me your bike. We bring the bags and we just show it here because we really love this kind of very non-radical item, you know? It's not something which is in line with our own products, but it's very durable. It's very
water resistant. Yeah.
Very water resistant, yeah. And we just love the color setup he made. So for now, already a lot of people had a look at it and they like it.
Very nice.
You can check on his website.
Another unusual and creative product that you came up with. It's very nice.
Yeah.
Kyra, I thank you so much for showing us around the Radical booth, all the interesting bags and the trailer, all that stuff. It's our pleasure, and thank you so much for sponsoring the Laid Back Report again at Spezi here. So we appreciate that.
See you
Always
next
nice to
time.
see you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.